Okay, we're rolling. We're rolling.
Oh, hey guys, Minnie from AllThingzJDM.
God. Okay, so today we are going to highlight some of the inventory because we're doing a raffle Sunday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. Yep. Ron Cox. That's what he says to do. That's what Uncle Ron says. So we got the Subaru supercharged Sunbar with the glass roof. She's gonna be on there. Yeah, all these Kei trucks. So we're cutting the raffle kind of short because no one really wants to enter. So we're just gonna do probably one truck and then 2 winners with cash. Yeah, so we're gonna do, you know, all the vans. That's another supercharged Sunbar back there. All the trucks. And then, you know, if you don't win, but you still want to buy, you can definitely buy. What you looking at that for? Okay. All right. So, raffle this weekend. Open it up. You can get this, or you can buy it, or you can win it. Already, the first thing I see is it's got a little dent there.
It smells like
Sunscreen?
sunscreen.
Let me in. How many miles is on the clock? 68,000? Yeah, 68,000 on this one.
Got seat covers.
Seat covers. That's cool. Oh, it's even got this little screen thing in the back. That's cool.
What's green? Oh.
Yeah.
How do I do this?
Oh, we just gotta plug that back up. Crank it up. It's dirty in here. Kleenex. Okay. Got some mud tires on here. That's cool. I think all these trucks deserve a nice body or rhino line in the back.
AC.
It does have AC. Four-wheel drive, 1996.
You'll see it has a little tape on it.
Tape? Oh yeah, that's why it's covered. Okay. All right, you can kill it.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. Get that in you. Get that in you. Cool. What else we got? We got about 20 of these things. We're not gonna go through them all. In my opinion, even though this one doesn't have AC, this is probably the cleanest of them all. In my opinion. But my opinion doesn't count. Yeah, it does. I don't know why anyone in their right mind would do that. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Is it?
I like the
78,000 kilometers.
I like that shit.
We might have to keep this truck. I don't know. And make it our next one. I don't know. I'm liking that one. I'm liking this one. All right, let's do the other truck. The van. I know. I know. So this one is 1997, 120,000 kilometers, 4-wheel drive. Let me in on the other side, bruh. Damn, super clean.
This one smells like after the pool.
Chlorine?
Yeah, a little bit. Whoever was riding in this thing was riding low.
Riding low.
Yes.
This one's nice. It's bare bones.
Cassette car stereo.
But it's nice. It's like clean. This is cool. I mean, I like them with a little bit more options. Cranks right up. Well, it's got 118,000 cars. This one's cool. It's cold. This one is cool. I like this one. No, it's not turbo. But still, it's pretty clean inside and out. I like that he's finally listening to us when I tell him to get some cleaner stuff. Okay. Okay, so that's on the Waffle, that's on the Waffle, that's on the Waffle, that truck back there's on the Waffle. Raphael, you're there, and then that's on the Waffle. Tam, you're here still as well. Mikkel, you're here. Ron Cox, you are here. But yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. Let's roll out. That completes this video.